Well, good morning, and welcome to Vienna. Today we're going to go to the Schonbrunn Palace. I've probably not pronounced that correctly, so we're going to have to take a couple of metros to get to it. We're hoping to spend probably all morning there, and after that, well, we'll sort of make it up as we go along. So the weather is supposed to be very, very good today, and we're hoping for another lovely day on this wonderful European trip. A bit of a highlight tonight is that we are actually going to a musical concert, an 8-piece ensemble doing a lot of the old Vienna songs. Flowers here on the way to the train station.
It was a multi-cut, that's right, those.
15 euros. 15 euros is decent. You can do your acting now. Yeah. To the palace, which we think is this way to get the tickets. A lot of buses here today. So this, according to Rick Steves' book, this is the busiest tourist attraction in the city. That's why we're here, Jay. We do the big ones.
We will see.
So we're coming up to the entrance. We have to get some tickets, and we have to then go in through these gates, across this road first, of course. And wow, here is the palace. Here is the palace. Lovely. Head over to the ticket centre and we see what we can do. But there you are. We're getting into the garden area. Side view. And there you have a nice view down there. Isn't that nice? The roses. What a nice section here. Okay, we move on.
Oh, they're right there.
They're right there. There we go. Again, there's a lot of work going on at this place, but you get an appreciation of what we've got here. Hello, lady. Welcome to my palace. Curtsy and bow. So unfortunately there's a lot of activity going on here, and there's a lot of restrictions, but that's lovely. So I'm standing sort of halfway down. There's the back of the big palace, the gardens. There's some sort of big light show obviously been set up for here, but the garden is in immaculate condition. And here we have this amazing fountain in front of us. Absolutely amazing. We'll go up close to it, see more about it. Just want to show you some of the flower beds and the way it's set up so beautifully. Very well maintained. This is a lovely palace, lovely place. I am looking for them, yeah.
Yeah, the gardens are pretty from up here.
They are. You get a different perspective up here, don't you?
up to the summer house, I think you call it, the sun house or summer house. And there's the view we have. And there in front of us, it's another fantastic building with a lovely lake along the front. Wow. We're outside the zoo now.
I can tell you straight off what they are.
Oh yeah. I think that's chicken. Oh,
That's called an
ostrich. Ostrich.
That black and white thing is a rock pigeon.
Rock pigeon.
A rock pigeon.
what's a
They
falcon?
do look like chickens, like furry chickens.
Yeah, but they're.
They all have a tumor on their. They have a tumor up here.
This is the jungle, Andrea, is it? You're going through the jungle.
Rainforest.
The rainforest. The Vienna rainforest. I did not realize this was like this. That's quite a structure. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, look here. Here's a Japanese garden.
Yeah, we can do that too. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Japanese garden here.
Is there anything to see?
That is the Palm House. The Palm House. That's quite a structure. Very impressive. This is a lovely part of the garden. With all of these standard roses. I call this a rose garden. Absolutely lovely. Look at all the red roses. There's the 12 o'clock bells growing behind us. What have we nice?
No, not a great scent.
Not a great scent of it,
There's
no.
others that are more.
It's got some more aromatic.
Yeah.
It's very variegated rose, that one.
There's love. Something love. Love it.
Lovely. Okay, we have now made it back to the main courtyard, and Andrea and I, Jen Denise, are heading towards the entrance. There's another horse and carriage. We are now in the palace. In the palace. Woohoo! In the palace. So,
Where's my climb?
well, we've got to go to Gate A. This is like departures. Here she comes. She's dancing. Oh, to the music? I got no music.
Very warm welcome.
Oh, well, welcome to you too. Welcome to my palace. opulent room, isn't it? And got that lovely ceiling. Just the mirror room. Seen these paintings before? And today we leave Vienna and we head to the beautiful city of Budapest. So we've just had breakfast, and next we are going to get a bus transfer to the main train station, which will then take us to our train, which will take us to Budapest. 4-hour journey, I think, on the train.
Right. I think that's everyone. Very good. So, our train is at platform 27. We're going to go on platform 4.
We're not in Budapest. We're in a place called
Gutzendorf, and we're here because there's some sort of a delay on the train line. So we've actually got off the train and we're on the platform and we're just stretching our legs. Well, there was an announcement as to what was wrong, but it was in a language I didn't fully understand. But everybody's all quite happy. Everybody's just stepped off the train and just seems to be just enjoying the moment or embracing it. So the latest news after 2.5 hours is that this train is not going to Hungary. This train is now going back to Vienna. That's good, isn't it? So, according to Kristen, we're going to get a bus in Vienna to try and get to Hungary, because we have to get to Hungary tonight. We have to get to Budapest. So that is the plan.